back to my channel. So we're going to jump straight in. Here I'm just adding some heat protecting throughout the hair to prepare the hair for all the heat with the flat iron and hot comb everything. So I'm just going to smooth that in with my hands and we're going to get started. Here I'm just taking my flat irons and just running it through the hair with the heat protectant, and then taking some parts and chasing with my comb. This helps the hair get really straight because it's thick, but also it doesn't really take much to get this hair straight because it is straight hair. So I'm just going to do this throughout the whole entire wig, and then I will move on to my next side. Here I'm just basically repeating the same steps I did at the beginning of the video, just putting some of the heat protectant on my hair and evenly just brushing it through the parts of the hair. So I'm going to just take my comb again. This is not any type of section. I'm just going to take it randomly, comb it, and straighten. So as we move towards the top of the wig where the closure and the last bundle meet, I started taking my hot comb and really pressing down the roots of the closure. This is just to make sure that everything blends together where it meets, and also that the hair is getting very straight at the root so it'll look natural. I really like the straightening comb because it not only helps to get the hair straight, but it helps to lay the hair in the way that you want it to go. That's why I'm really taking my time once I get to the top of the closure to guide it to where how I want it to lay once I get to really styling it. I just want to show you guys how you can also use the back of the hot comb just to make sure that everything is super flat. After I'm done using my hot comb, I'm going to go in with my flat iron just to get out all the extra bumps or anything in the hair. Here's where you're going to want to take your time on pressing out your closure, because you want this part to lay really flat when it comes to styling, so it will look very natural and growing out your scalp. So you're going to part your section that you already made, and then you're going to take it, add some more heat protectant, apply it, and then take your flat iron and comb it through. And this you will repeat through the whole entire closure. I just want to show you guys as you get towards the top how everything is really starting to blend together and smooth out. Now I do believe I had my flat irons on 450. But you guys don't have to put your flat irons on 450. This is just what I do, because for one, the hair is really thick, and then it's already straight hair. So no, it does not need the high temperature of 450. But this is just what I flat iron on, which the hair is not going to be damaged because I do keep some type of heat protectant in the hair. So the hair is really good, and you can see how the closure is really nicely, bleached and everything. And this is before plucking, so this closure is really good and I really recommend it. After you finish pressing out your entire wig, including your closure, you're going to want to start playing around with it to see where you want and how you want your hair to lay. So for this wig, I'm going for a middle part. So I'm really going to just start combing the hairs and everything out the way just to guide it in the certain style that I want it to lay in. Now, I know you guys may see these flyaways that's sticking up at the top of the wig. Only thing you need to fix that is mousse. I'm telling you, mousse, and of course your finishing spritz. But once you put that over the wig, it will help you lay this wig. I'm telling you, lay it. Right here, I'm just getting ready to pluck my wig. Now, if you guys want a really in-depth video on how I pluck and customize and bleach and all that of my closures or frontals or whatever, make sure you leave that down in the comment section, and I will definitely make a very in-depth video, but right here I'm just showing you how I go through the closure and just, you know, give it a more realistic look. As you can see, I have taken some more of that mousse, and look how flat it has gotten the wig. Like, I haven't even did anything else to it. I just took the mousse, put it through the hair, and just look at it. Boom. Now, again, this is before I really plucked and did anything. Only thing I've done to this closure is just bleach my knots, and they came out very well. After that, I'm just going to take my flat iron and smooth it all in. I'm going to repeat the same steps I did for the first side, and then I will come back with my finishing look.